What up, YouTube? Denny in Saigon. Thanks for watching my video, by the way. I appreciate it. You must be a very kind individual to watch. Be even kinder if you'd like it. But it's up to you. I've tried to make interesting videos. I'm not that interesting of a person, but I'm living in an interesting place. I'm living in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. I'm from the USA, from the great state of Indiana, flyover country. Most people in Vietnam have never heard of Indiana. They have heard of Texas, California, Florida. I'm living and teaching English here. I just finished teaching and now I gotta drive back home all the way across the city. Not too much farther to go. Lucky guys here. Lots of lucky guys. They get to date hot girls. I'm a lucky guy too because I live here and I get to date hot girls too. But I got a girlfriend. She's a sweet little thing. She's not really a hot girl, but she's pretty cute. She's very friendly, very kind. She made me something to eat. I'm not exactly sure what. I'll find out when I get back. Yeah, so I have to go another 15 or 20 minutes this way. Yeah, it's a nice city to live in. The traffic is a little bit, you know, it's a city. It's a big city, 14 or 15 million people, something like that. Some crazy number. And lots and lots of motorbikes, which is cool. I like the motorbikes. I like taking the motorbike, not a motorcycle. I usually have to say this in case like you've never watched videos here and you're not familiar with Saigon. We drive motorbikes. Motorcycles are everywhere. You can get them, but they're just not very convenient to drive in the city. Not as handy as a motorbike. Motorbikes are cheap. I paid 125, I think pretty close to 125 bucks for this thing, and I rode it all over the place. Rode the wheels off of it, not put very much money into it, and that's cheap transportation. Denny loves cheap transportation. But if you're the kind of person who likes a nice ride, you can come over here and get a nice set of wheels. I've got a buddy who drives a KBM. He rides a KBM and a couple other things, I guess. Not in Ho Chi Minh City though. He lives up in Play. You had to park a big bike like that, it would be a problem here. They have a tendency to park your bikes a lot of places, and they don't even like to park this bike. It's too big. Here like this. Usually I'll let the four-wheelers block traffic for me. It's a wise strategy, but you do have to be careful because you don't want to overtake a car in an intersection here. You definitely get flattened. A lot of people on motorbikes try to beat the four-wheelers across the intersections, and they'll smoke you if you try to outrun the car. See all that stuff over there? I don't really know what's in those bags. My girlfriend likes the orange stuff. She's tried to get me to eat it before. I really couldn't tell you what they're selling over there. A bunch of stuff. Vietnamese like it. I don't know if I can make this next light. I think it's about to change. The thing about Vietnam is you can run the lights. I could just run this light. Just nobody's going to stop me, probably. I'm not going to. I'm not in a big hurry or nothing, but you see people do it all the time. They'll just slowly cruise right through there. Never mind stopping. Yeah, it's a nice city to live in. I love this city. I always go on about how much I love this city. It's a safe city. really pretty safe for as many people as there are. And you know, they're really, I don't, oh, that was close. You gotta be careful. Because sometimes there's helmets on the road and stuff. There's all kinds of things you can wipe out on. I saw a motorbike on the ground on my way home tonight, on the other side of the road there. It looked like it was hit by a car. Yeah, there's no neighborhoods in this city that you need to be afraid of venturing into, and I'm impressed with that. That's kind of cool. I mean, that's real cool. Even in Phnom Penh, you know, people would warn me about this park or that place. You don't want to go there at night and all that. You don't really find that here. It's not a violent place. Pretty peaceful for a city of 14 million people. And I chalk that up to the Vietnamese. They're damn good people. Most of all, they love their kids, and they treat their kids pretty well here. And I think it just shows the way people act, the way people treat each other. I'm pretty fond of Vietnam, and I may marry my girlfriend. I don't know. I may marry a girl here. If I ever do get married, I'm sure I'll marry a Vietnamese girl. And even though I got to go back to the USA, because I have obligations there, I'm sure I'll return to Vietnam once I figure out how I'm going to make a living online. And I'm probably getting ready to transition into doing some freelance web work, which I can do. Just refreshing some skills now. I've been doing that for a while, refreshing the skills. This here intersection is a beauty. Jesus. Did you see that? Ah, that's what I mean. You always see something exciting. Sorry, Lord. I didn't mean to even say that, but, you know. That bike just got smoked by a car right in front of me. That girl hit her head. I don't know if you saw that, but I did. Yeah, it's a risky proposition riding motorbike in Vietnam. Yeah, I see it all the time though. I see it all the time. People hit pavement. People go down. That was a guy and a girl on a motorbike. She hit her head. Her helmet come flying off. I think she's going to be alright, but man. I'll go home and check the video. I don't know if you even saw that or not. Yeah. So I'm taking a risk, you know, riding across town every day here. It is risky. I do it 3 times a day tomorrow. You got to teach preschool in the morning. Traffic is going to be really bad Monday mornings. Oh, I can't get the sight of that girl falling on the ground. Cannot get that out of my head. Yeah, I broke my arm in traffic about 3 months after I got here. And it's no fun, believe me. It takes a little bit of it's just a little bit of learning, a little bit of a learning curve to learn how to drive here, because people, well, you see what happened. They do things unexpectedly. almost home. Thanks for watching my videos. If you are, I'm gonna keep making videos in case I see something, you know, crazy. Like that accident I just saw. Probably see a worse one than that sometime right in front of me. Hopefully I'll have my phone out.